Hello friends, I am Shivam Shivare. Today we will discuss one logical program in C. So here we can learn how to print Fibonacci series using C language syntax. So here we discuss about Fibonacci series. So firstly I will tell you the easy way of Fibonacci series. So first of all, what is Fibonacci series? So Fibonacci series is nothing but the adding of two subsequent numbers. Like I take an example here or and tell you what is Fibonacci series. Like Fibonacci series is the subsequent of two values like 0, 1. So for adding these two values, we generate new value, and here we get 0 plus 1 is 1 here. For the next value, we will generate with the help of these two subsequent number, and we get 1 plus 1 is 2. And the next value also we will add the subsequent number to generate next number like 3. So at the subsequent values we will get the result, and so on. So now how to write a program for this generally asks for first an element in the Fibonacci series. So here we take an example. So now I will tell you how Fibonacci series work. So hash include stdio.h to include the header file, where stdio.h, which refers to the built-in function where printf and scanf are present. So now I will create the main function here, and in the main function I will take an integer number limit n, and now I will ask to the user to enter the limit which they want to print into the Fibonacci series. So for that I will take an input with the help of scanf %d and ampersand of n. So here user will give the input to which they want to get the Fibonacci series. So let's take an example. Here I want to give as an input n is equals to 7. So for calculate n is equals to 7, here we have to declare the for loop for repeating the loop. So let's we take for loop here, and for starting the for loop we have to declare these are I here, and I starts with the value 1 because it start from 1. So how many element we need to print series, so those you have to need repeat the values. So I starts with 1, and I is less than equals to n, so it will check the value is true or not. Like if user gives an input 7, and when the value of n is greater than 7, then it goes out from the loop. So here we include I plus plus, and to calculate the result, as we know that here we have to declare the value a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 1 to get the value c. Calculate c, we have to add the value of a plus b to get the value of c, because we add the two subsequent numbers. So here we declare a with 0 and b with 1, and to add a plus b, we will get the result in C is 1. And for the next two subsequent values, 1 plus 1 is stored in A plus B. So here we get 1 plus 1 is 2. So here we will now calculate the value of C. So just add the value of A plus B, and it is stored into C to get the result for the next number. Value B store into A. So value B we will store into A, and the value C store into B. Here I will tell you how it is possible. So let's take an example here, like the value of A is 0 here, and the value of B is 1 here, and it will store into C, and the value of B, A plus B, so 0 plus 1 is 1 here. And now for the next value, we will get the value of C B stored into A, and the value of C stored into B. The value of B stored into A, and the value of C stored into B. So now the value of A is here 1, and the value of B is also 1, and the new value we generate in C is 1 plus 1 is 2. So here we see that the value of B is stored into A, and the value of C is stored into B. So this is the procedure to get the Fibonacci series number. So here I will print the value of A. So here we get the value, the tabular form like. So now we will get the value here, and we print the value of A. So now we will get the output. So Control S and compile. Okay, we will have to declare the value, and okay, here firstly we will have to declare the value A is 0, B is equals to 1, and the value of A plus B stored into C. So now store the value and now compile the result. So here we give the input 7 and hit the enter, and we get the result 0 1 1 2 3 5 8. So 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 plus 2 is 5, and 5 plus 3 is 8. So here we see how we can calculate the Fibonacci series. Thank you so much.